Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get SH1 key in Android Studio. So this approach automatically generates the SHA1 key directly inside Android Studio interface without needing command line tools. So what we need to do is when we are in our project, go to the top right vertical toolbar and where you will find Gradle, this icon right here at the top. Click on that one. All right. Now expand your project name by clicking the arrow next to it, as you can see, like that. Expand tasks, like so. If the tasks folder is missing, see the quick troubleshooting, which I will show you later. Now run, right click on this one and then run downloads, something like that. Click on that and here it will open up this run terminal right at the bottom. Now through here, scroll down a little bit and find this SHA1 key, which will look like a long string of pairs of letters and number separated by colons. Now, what I said before, under the task, if folder is missing, see what we need to do is head over to the here to the top under the file and then settings. And what we are going to do is navigate to experimental. So let me find it. At the bottom right here, experimental, and uncheck this one, do not build Gradle task list during Gradle sync. Yes. And yeah, click apply and then OK. And this is pretty much it, what you can do. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next